It is my distinct honor and pleasure to announce the 2022 Kinzer-Rice Award to Dr. Bradley Cole.
I believe that Dr. Cole is a very deserving recipient of the Kinzer-Rice Award. He has faithfully taught for decades to literally thousands of medical students. I think bridging the science and clinical gap is something that's really special that not everybody gets the opportunity to do or see the impact of. I clearly see the impact of his passion for teaching every day with the students.
One particular memory that I have, and it was just after I'd taken a test for his course, and I didn't do as well on a topic that I thought I should have done. And Dr. Cole spent a longer period of time with me than I think any other professor really has in med school, undergrad, any other time in my career, really just breaking down a topic for me. He's not only managing things for first and second years, but he's also managing things for the third year clerkship. And yet he still took the time to sit down with me and make sure that, I had all the tools in my pocket necessary to succeed in his course.
My initial motivation for being involved in teaching was actually seeing a problem among medical students. There's actually a name for it. It's called neurophobia, and that is really a fear of neurology and anything that has to do with the brain, which is perceived to be just too mysterious and complicated, and you just can't figure things out. And I realized it just shouldn't be that way.
I nominated Dr. Cole for this award because I think he's the perfect example of what a teaching physician should be. He sets an example with his patients, but he also takes those examples and makes them learning points for his students. So he's not just teaching out of a textbook, he's teaching out of his own personal experiences. And it also helps that he's so knowledgeable, he helped literally write some of the books that we study off of. He contributed to first aid himself.
It's that piece of taking it from your head where you learned it to your hands where you practice it. And I think that's what makes the magic. Dr. Cole has helped literally thousands of students learn that magic.
So what I really hope for the students is that neuroscience is not just, okay, we cram, we pass the exam, we move on. My real goal is that neurology patients, throughout the country are getting treated better because of doctors out there who know what they're doing.
On behalf of the School of Medicine, congratulations, Dr. Cole.